Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Canon model and the firmware number in the camera menu. This prevents wrong updates. Once done, charge the battery fully. Updates can brick the camera if power loses. Make sure the SD card is reliable. Format it in camera or backup first. Then copy the extracted firmware file to the root of the card. This simple step ensures the camera finds the file. Finally, insert the card and power off, preparing to run the update routine. You now start the actual update by opening the firmware update option in the settings. The camera shows current and new versions so you can confirm. When you select Update, follow prompts exactly, press OK or Set to Start, because interruption is the main risk. Do not remove battery or card, and avoid touching buttons. These steps keep file integrity. While the progress bar moves, be patient. The camera may restart or show multiple stages, which is normal as it writes and verifies the new code. Once the update completes, you should power cycle the camera and check the firmware version in the menu to confirm success. This verifies the installation. Make sure to restore or reset any custom settings if the release notes recommend it, because some updates change defaults. If the update fails, don't panic. Reformat the card in camera, download a fresh firmware copy, and try again. If problems persist, contact Canon with your model, serial, and any error code. Support can guide recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.